Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal or no display problem. Okay, let's start the video. Or on PC you see no signal error shown. Okay, open cabinet side cover. After open cover there is a low light. Okay, first you remove RAM from motherboard. There are two RAM. Remove both RAM. Okay, after remove clean this RAM and connect to motherboard. Now open, press power button and check problem is fixed. Okay, system is working fine. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon.